Hi everyone, today we're having a bit of diagnosis on an Ioniq 5. We got shaking from the steering wheel, so let me show you. So we're gonna go about 49, 50. Let's go. I'll look at the steering wheel. Yeah, so that's customer concern, and the whole car shakes like crazy. It's very weird, right? So I'm pretty sure that tires are not balanced, but let's take the tires off. Let's see how much why are they doing this? This is very interesting. It's the first time when I see this, so most of you may be gonna go onto something like this, and you're gonna look for answers. So this might be your answer. So watch this again. Weird that is. Right, let me put it back in the garage and I'll show you what I found. There we go. 55 grams on the inside, 165 grams on the outside. Missing weight, so that's a lot of imbalance in the tire. And when I lift this up, I see this. So this is the foam which comes inside these special tires made for Ioniq. It's a GOA marking on them, and all this foam just came loose and just got stuck in the side of the tire, and this is how it looks like after I remove it. So this is why all the shaking. So yeah, if you ever come across this, now you know why. Right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you do find it useful, and I will see you on my next one.